Come with me. Let's share a secret of beautiful curls. It starts with nature. Follow me. Peppermint is one of the ingredients. It's one of the secrets. Follow me. I have more to share. So let's continue with our incredible recipe for beautiful hair. We have in our measurement cup, we have the mint, cloves we have here, guys. Organic rosemary we have here. And we have ginger. And of course, we will have what I call the magic ingredient, water. So we have 1 cup of water already. I'm going to add 2 for the recipe. And I'm going to follow with a nice, beautiful little branch of the mint. Let's take, guys, a handful of cloves. They will come here. I happen that I love to use McCormick organic cloves. I love them. I'm very much into the very healthy, natural ingredients possible. I get also the rosemary organic leaves. I'm going to take them. A little bunch of them in here. Guys, it smells so delicious. I mean, it's like, not only is going to clean the air, but it's going to do amazing for your hair as well. So I'm gonna have this. I'm going to add my ginger into my mix. Going to boil at a medium set. We're going to wait until this boils. And let's then, what we're gonna do next. We're gonna let it dry for, until it really gets cold. You guys see the color? The more it stays in the boiling water, the darker the color will look. Eventually, we're going to be looking for a color like this, guys. Check this out. This is what we're going to be waiting to happen with this incredible recipe. And following now, our next fantastic ingredient. Recommendations, make sure that you let the recipe really get cool off. It's pretty hot. When it gets nice and cold, let's get prepared to put it in a bottle where you're gonna use it as a refresher, or every night before you go to sleep and in the morning, very lightly, you're going to refresh your curls with this incredible recipe, or you're going to use it. Guys, I use it for your entire skin, but right now we're talking about the hair, so it's great for refresher and also to straighten your hair. If your hair is limp, low density, meaning not a lot of hair, try not to use straight the oils, because then it will make the scalp too heavy. The water, this incredible recipe on your scalp will do wonders. Let me show you the next way we're going to change the recipe. So now let's do the second way we could use this incredible recipe. So now we have our amazing Rëzo shampoo. Guys, you could see it, made of black tea. Incredible ingredient that it helps for incredible hydration, prevents and helps when your hair is suffering a little bit from hair shedding and some hair loss. Amazing, amazing, amazing hydration. So what we're going to be doing right now is taking, and guys, you're gonna see this works so amazing. It literally becomes a hair lotion. Look at this, guys. It's pure hair lotion for your skin. And that's what it makes Rëzo shampoo so special. It's pure hydration for many people with a very low density, not a lot of hair, thin curls or very loose curls. Now you don't need so much of the conditioner. This is the trick. Now you will be opening the shampoo right now, and you will be pouring some of this gray water in here, guys. We're gonna keep this one very nicely in the refrigerator to refresh these beautiful curls. We're gonna let it cool off. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Give me a big heart, pass it to your friends, and this is going to be the beginning. Beautiful curls come from very natural ingredients. See you in my next video.